to another video. You are watching Concerns.ua with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about a very reputed and a very renowned brand out here and its upcoming gadget that is none other than our very own favorite, that is Apple's iPhone 12 out here. Yes, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं Apple के iPhone 12 की. When we talk about Apple, the brand itself gives us goosebumps out here. As well as this video is all dedicated to the upcoming gadget that is Apple's iPhone 12 out here. We already know that Apple was going to launch its iPhone 12 by September 2020, and traditionally it is always releasing the second half of the year in the autumn. Yes, all the gadgets in the second half are released by Apple in the autumn season itself. But this time it has been officially announced that they have delayed the release of their new gadget. Now, what is the new date for the release? This is the biggest question now. When are they going to release it? So now officially it is said that it could be released by October 2020. Yes. Not exactly, no, officially it has been said that in October only, but it is expected that it will be released out in October 2020. And when we say officially, it means that they have highlighted or they have given us some hints that by end of October it might be released. But yet we cannot believe these hints or these rumors out there until and unless any specified official statement has been given. So we can expect by 2020 October iPhone 12 to be released in the market. Now, when we talk about the release date, we can say that there are a lot of gossips and rumors related to the specifications, features, as well as processing and the fast track design, everything. There are a lot of rumors out there. But when we talk about the rumors, few rumors are absolutely correct that this gadget, iPhone 12, is faster than iPhone 11. Yes, you will find that iPhone 12 is faster than iPhone 11. This is 15% faster out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that there are a lot of things which we can expect from this version, that is the iPhone 12 series. This 12 series will have a lot of things in it. Yes, it will have Pro Max out there and a very different designs, the change in the screen size, the camera, there are a lot of changes in it. You will also see that the unveiling might take place by 12th of October. Yes, earlier it was said that in September 2020 unveiling will be taking place. But now it is expected to have an unveiling by 12th of October. I would like to still remind you that it is not an official statement, but yes, there have been hints out there. They have not given any official statement out here, but there have been hints. There have been rumors. There have been a lot of hints out there which says that by 12th of October, the unveiling of this new iPhone 12 series would be done. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that it will have some very amazing things, like it will have iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro out there, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So this gadget is going to have really amazing things out there. So we can say that the series, the iPhone 12 series, is going to be very exciting out there, as well as it will serve you a different kind of a screen size. Talking about the screen size, we can say that iPhone 12 will be having 5.4 inch screen size. Like it will have a shorter size out here. iPhone 12 will be having 5.4 inch screen size, whereas iPhone 12 Pro Max, you can expect it to have a screen size of 6.7 inches. So we can expect a lot of things in it. So there is a possibility that the screen size of iPhone 12 Max and 12 Pro will be varying in this range. So we can expect a major change in the design. There will be a major change in the design, we can say that. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that the entire series will be unrevealed or launched by the end of 2020 or in the first month of 2021 year. It is not said that the unrevealing and the launch date of all the 12 series or the 12 gadgets will be at the same. No, it will take some time, and it is expected that by 2021 first month, that is Jan 2021, it might take place. But still still there has been no official statement. It is still the rumors and the hints provided by the company and the CEO of the company out there. Now, when we say about this gadget, we can say that there is a definite change out there. In the iPhone series, we have seen a lot of changes out there in the design changes. So this design change is seen out in the iPhone 12 itself. Yes, now we can say that there is definitely a rough idea about it. Now, when we say about this tweet out here, yes, there was a tweet out there which says that iPhone could have a something exciting between the iPhone series. Yes, there will be a change in the iPhone series display. And when we say so, it is like a very interesting thing. If you see the tweet out here, which was given out so that we come to know about what kind of system it will have, from this tweet you can highlight a lot of things out there. And when we talk about this gadget, that is iPhone 12 out here, there will be a major change in the design. This was the first point out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say not just the designs out here, but you will see a major change in the structurality. Like it will be a much thinner variant, yes. If we talk about the thickness, then it will be a thinner variant as compared to 11 Pro Max. It will have a large screen size. You will find a screen size, better screen size. You will also find that the notch has shortened itself. Yes, you will also find that this notch has also shortened itself in the series out here. As well as when we talk about the specifications of this gadget, when we talk about the specifications, we can say that the gadget offers you a different variety. Yes, if we talk about the gadget, then there are a lot of different specifications, different gadgets out here. Talking about specifications of iPhone 12 out here, we can say that this variant is going to have a camera out here with 64 megapixel, 24 and 12 megapixel. We can say that this variant offers you a different kind of a camera. Yes, the camera is slightly different out here. The placement of camera is different. As well as you will find that the LED flashlight is not kept secondary, it is kept in the center point. Yes, the structurality, if we talk, then it is kept in the center point out here. You will find the center, the flashlight out there. As with the screen size, if we talk, there will be a difference in the screen sizing as compared to the series which it is, like iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Max, 12 Max Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro. So there will be a difference in the screen size out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that the range or the differences have played a very major role in each and every category. There will be change in the RAM quality. There is a change in the structurality, USB typing. There is a major change in the charging capacity and the charger. The normal charger is not seen in this version. Yes, you will find a different kind of a charger out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that the camera is definitely playing a very important role out here. Now let us talk about the major changes and the major features out here, the new specifications, new features inbuilt in it. You may find that it is going to have a 5G inbuilt in it. Yes, you may find that it is going to have a 5G connectivity out there. It is said that Android manufacturers have already been offered 5G connectivity, and very few gadgets are being seen with 5G connectivity. But now it is said that iOS users might also get this 5G connectivity with their gadgets. But we can expect that this 5G connectivity might turn good also and might turn bad, because it depends upon the connectivity how it is going on. Because right now in Android also we have not seen in much of the variants. Very few variants offers you 5G and very limited places. So we expect a lot from this 5G connectivity in iPhone 12 out here. As we already said that the camera is playing a very important role out in iPhone 12. So this is a 3D camera out here, not the normal 3D we see the 3D glasses, but the structurally it looks like 3D out here. Yes, structurally it looks 3D out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that the placement of the camera as well as placement of LED flashlight. Everything is quite amazing out. Now, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, we can say that it offers you a great range of setup as comparative to other variants. If you look at the camera placement from the earlier versions, there is a really difference in the camera placement. There is a huge difference out here, as well as there is a difference in the touch id. Yes, you will find that internally the touch id has differed a lot. You will find there is a difference in the touch id, whereas you will get to see that there is a major change in the ultra short ranges out there. That is the wi-fi connectivity. Not just the normal connectivity, but the wi-fi connectivity has also been upgraded out here. You will find that upgraded wi-fi connectivity out there. You might also wonder that what are the major changes in the Wi-Fi connectivity and processing systems out here. You will see that the processor A14 is upgraded out here and is being used in a better way. Yes, we have seen that most of the iPhones uses the processor of Apple's itself, and we have seen latest out there. But you will see A14 out here, which is really upgraded. You might also see that the screen size plays a very important role. So you might find 5.4 to 6.7 or 6.1, this kind of screen size. If you find, if you check out the Apple series out here, then Apple iPhone 12, and you will find that these screen sizes are being offered. That is 5.4, 6.1 out here, and 6.7. So these three screen sizes will be seen out, offering you in the pro models. If you see the pro models, that is iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, you will find OLED capacitive screening along with 120 Hz Pro Motion. Yes, this is the reason why this is only found in only iPhone 12 Pro. So there is a lot of changes. There are a lot of changes which have took place from iPhone 11 to iPhone 12. It is a very short period of time, we might say, but a huge difference in this. As well as RAM has played a very vital role in it. If we talk about RAM, then we can say that Apple iPhone 12 RAM is going to play a very different role out there. Why we say so? Because you will find that 4 GB or 6 GB RAM variants are available, but this 6 GB RAM is only available in the Pro versions. Yes, this is a very limited offer. As well as you will also find that the storage capacity is best in pro version. You will find that the pro version is having a storage capacity more than 512 GB. Like this is more than 512, whereas you will find 128 GB and 256 GB variants in other versions. We might also say that this is a look quad camera looking phone. Yes, it might look like quad camera phone, but it is not a quad camera phone. It is a triple lens camera phone with lidar sensor in it. Yes, if you talk about the sensors, you might find that the fourth placed camera out here, which looks like a camera, is a lidar sensor out here. Otherwise, you will find the camera, there are only triple lens camera. You will not find the fourth one as a main camera out here. You will find that it is a lens sensor out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this offers you some other specifications like the battery life. Now, when we talk about the battery life, you can say that iPhone 12, which has a screen size of 5.4 inches, offers you a battery life of good battery life. We won't say bad. That is approximately a battery model of A2471 out here, which offers you approximately a good battery life of around 14 hours to 15 hours. So this is a battery model out here given in this on screen out here. As well as you can see that the screen sizes have also been mentioned out along with the battery life. When we talk about the screen size, we can say that screen size plays a very major role in every gadget, because this screen size helps to know what kind of gadget it is. As we see the display, as we see the size of the screen, we can say iPhone 12 plays a very vital role in the iPhone series, because this is one of the most innovated and a most changeable, or we can say evolved gadget out here. As well as you get to see that there is a difference in most of the things. Like you will see that the screen size has definitely changed a lot. Earlier we have seen that iPhone 11 had a screen size. iPhone 11 only has a screen size of 6.1 inches, which we see in iPhone 12 Max and Pro out here. Whereas you get to see there was a screen size of 5.8 out here, as well as 6.5 inches out there. So we can say there is a change in the screen size also. But the screen size change does not mean that the variant is not going to have major changes. Variant is going to have major changes out there, which we have already talked about. As well as when we talk about this variant, you can check out the capacity every gadget offers. Yes, every gadget offers you a great capacity out here. And now when we talk about the capacity, we already know that iPhone 11's battery life was super amazing. But when we talk about this battery life and compare it, that is the most important part. Now when we talk about the battery life, then we can say that iPhone 12 Max has got a good battery life, but is lower, but is slightly less as compared to iPhone 11. Yes, iPhone 11 के comparatively iPhone 12 Max की जो battery life है वो थोड़ी सी कम है. Why we are comparing iPhone 12 Max and iPhone 11? The main reason is the screen size. We can compare iPhone 12 Pro also with iPhone 11, so that we come to know that the screen size is differing or not. But when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then we can say that iPhone 12 Pro Max has got a better battery life, or you can say a less battery life, but they are quite good. So overall, if we talk about the battery life, they are offering you a less battery capacity, but offering you a great functionality also. You won't say that it is a bad battery life. It is a good battery life, but offers you a less, comparatively less capacity out here. But when we talk about this variant, when we talk about iPhone Apple 12 out here, then we can say that this variant has a good video capturing capacity. Yes, you will find 4K video capturing capacity at 240 FPS out there. Rest of the things will be disclosed very soon as the unrevealing happens. But these are the specifications mentioned out by the company and other sources out there. And when we talk about the pricing, then we can say that it is expected to have a different pricing for a different gadget out here. If we talk about iPhone 12, 128 GB, then we can say that these all pricing might be varying with a very slight difference. Yes, the pricing might differ very slightly. As well as when we talk about the variant, then we can say that the most expensive or the most uh, high rated gadget might be said as iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. These two will be the most highly expensive out there. As well as when we talk about the unrevealing of what you will get in your the box, you will get a proper packing about it, and you will find a charger that is giving you USB-C type charging along with the handset, and the you will find the user manuals, warranty card, documents out here. As well as you might find that it has got some additional benefits of having this amazing gadget. Yes, you will find this amazing gadget with some great stickers out there. You will also find that the accessories placed in it might differ in the three gadgets. It might be differing that iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, and iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max might have a slight difference in the accessories. Yes, there is not yet confirmation what all the accessories it will have, but these are the most common accessories which will be seen in all the four gadgets out here. So this is all for today, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, do thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. Are you excited for Apple iPhone 12 unrevealing and everything out here? And if you want me to make such videos more, and you would like to know about any other gadget which is upcoming, then stay tuned to our channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. Till then, take care.